Hey Michigan boaters, Josh with Premier Boating. If your family loves to wake surf, wakeboard, hit the slalom course, or just recreational ski sometimes, the GS series from Nautique Boats might just be the perfect boat for you because it was designed and engineered to do it all. Within the GS series from Nautique, they offer a GS20, which is what you see behind me, a GS22, and a GS24. But we're gonna take a few minutes and walk you through this brand new in-stock GS20 that we just got in and show you some of the top features that this boat has to offer. So a big thing that everybody loves is Nautique's transom walkthrough because it's a very easy and gradual step up onto the rear transom and step down into the main cabin. Now, this middle cushion here is actually a filler cushion, so if you don't want anybody stepping on any of your vinyl, just pop that out of there, and then it creates another step pad to get in and out of the boat, prolonging the longevity of your furniture. So something that separates Nautique from any of its competitors is every boat offers subfloor ballast. So all the main ballast tanks are all below the deck, so when you open like this rear transom hatch, and you can do it just with your foot, whenever you open any of the storage compartments, you never see a ballast bag, which allows for the maximum storage capacity for all of your extra gear, your life jackets, surf ropes, everything like that. So it's really nice not opening those hatches, not seeing those ugly bags out. So like I hit on earlier, the GS series from Nautique is a boat that does it all. Your kids can still wake surf, everybody can still wakeboard, but if you're one of those that still loves to slalom ski or just recreational ski, this boat has actually a dedicated ski pylon right on the transom hatch here. Just give it a minute, it's a dramatic effect, but it pops up and that is actually a dedicated pylon for those people that still love to get behind the boat and rip the ski course. So with Nautique's helm design, this is a 12.4 inch high definition touchscreen that has every system on the boat that you need to control. So right here on your home screen is where you dial up your wave up and down, surf side. As you can see here on the left hand side is going to be all of your tabs for your different accessories or entertainment. There's your ballast screen to show you how full your ballast tanks are. There's all your accessories like your courtesy lights and such, and even navigation. So everything's within arm's reach of the driver's seat, so you don't have to lean forward or touch multiple screens. And then if you look down here to the right of the throttle, this is Nautique's helm command. So if you're a person that doesn't want to reach up and touch the screen, helm command controls everything that has to do with the touch screen. So all you got to do is just dial this, click over, select whatever you need to select, and it's that easy. So even with this boat being 20 foot in length, you still have a maximum capacity of 12 people. But look, what I really wanted to point out is look at this bow. So usually on 20-foot boats, the bow is very short and stout. Well, on this one, you still have room to kick your feet up and with convertibility. So this middle cushion is a bow filler. So you just pop that out of there. And then it creates a full bow walkthrough. So you can get in and out of the bow and out of your seats very easily. Something vital to every lake day out on the boat is an onboard cooler and a trash can. Now, as you can see, they're under the seats behind the driver's seat, so they're out of sight, out of mind. Until you need them, they're ready, available for any beverages or to throw any clutter away. Well, thank you for taking a few minutes and walking through some of the standout features of this Nautique GS20. Let's say your family doesn't live on the biggest lake, doesn't always go out with the biggest crew, or they just don't want one of those big, gigantic wake boats, but they want a boat that does it all. Then maybe the Nautique GS20 will be the perfect boat for you. Now, if you'd like to learn more about this boat or any of the other models that we offer from Nautique, please visit premierboating.com or come see us down in Gun Lake, Michigan. We'd love to meet you and your family, show you around the dealership, and learn more about your boating lifestyle. Have a great day.